Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English channel. Today we'll talk about table manners, and in this video you will learn the use of cutlery. So let's begin with today's session. When you use a fork and spoon, the former is held in the left hand while the latter is held in the right hand. It will be really helpful and comfortable for you to eat your food. While using a knife and fork also, the fork is in the left hand while the right hand is used for the knife for cutting your food. At a sit-down meal or a dining table, you can only use 2 pieces of cutlery. The rest pieces of the cutlery will be laid down on the table for other purposes. While using a fork, hold the upper part of the handle between the index and middle fingers, just like a spoon, while the thumb holds the fork steady with the prongs of the fork facing upwards. While using a fork with a knife, the prongs faces downwards with a fork held in the left hand, and it will helpful to cut your food properly. While using a knife held in the right hand, cover the end of the knife with your palm, resting the index finger about an inch toward the handle to help your press down firmly. So when you press your knife with an index finger, you can easily cut your food. Friends, avoid cutting the entire portion of the food into the small pieces before eating. Cut one piece at a time. Eat this piece before cutting the other one. It is really helpful for you to eat your food nicely. You can also use the width of the knife blade to push the food onto the back of the fork and then have it properly. Do not forget to teach your child the use of a spoon, fork and knife. Once you pick up a piece of cutlery, it should not touch the table again, and do not use it to emphasize any point on the dining table. While using the chopsticks, use the thumb and index finger to hold both the sticks, with the remaining fingers giving proper support. It will be really helpful for you to hold your food and have it firmly. Thanks friend for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and do connect with us to get latest information on English language. We'll have more session on table manners. Till then, goodbye.